The basis of these exercises is to strengthen the adductors of the legs, which are going to help bring the legs together in the middle of your body and to internally rotate them. When these are weak, it causes the piriformis muscles to get overly tight to compensate. That tightness can cause some sciatica-like pain. So the adductors originate in the pubic bone area, and they go down the inside of your thighs, and they kind of attach just above the knee. So the idea is to strengthen those, and then the piriformis muscles don't have to work so hard to stabilize the pelvis. So the first thing that we'll do, the first exercise, is going to just be to lift your pelvis using just those muscles. So you're just going to want to stand square, and then just using just the muscles on the inside of your leg, just kind of just lift your pelvis. Just lift your pelvis. You don't want to be flexing the muscles on the front of your leg, on the front of your hip, or on the back. You want to just use just the muscles on the inside of your leg. So what you're going to do is kind of just square up, keep it a level spine, and then just use the muscles on the inside of your leg. Just lift the pelvis straight up. Make sure you're not pulling your hip towards you. It's just a straight up and down. So lift the right, set it down, to the left, set it down. Do those, probably do about 1 or 2 second holds. Do that maybe 20 times, do that a couple times each side. The next exercise is going to be similar. You're just going to be laying on your side. Bend your knees about 90 degrees, your hips about 90 degrees, and put something between your knees. Folded up towel, pillow. This is a yoga block, anything would do. Just squeeze your hips together and pull up. Pull your hip in. So you're kind of, it's the same sort of motion where you're trying to pick your pelvis up, pick your hips up on that side. And now you're squeezing and gliding them inside and outside. Just pulling in. From the top, it would look like you're just pulling that hip up again. So try to make sure you're not pulling your leg forward or backwards, not tensing any extra muscles. Just focus on the muscles on the inside of your legs. And you can do that when you're good and focused, and you're not using other muscles. You go ahead and do that. But start with the other exercise first, and then when you're feeling comfortable, progress to this one. And you can do this for a couple second holds, like 1 to 2 second, long repetitions. Do it 10 to 20 times, and do that 2 to 3 times a day, just depending on how you feel. All right, that's it.